Cheek.
Ooh.
Can I watch the video
He's just playing. He's, so he's gonna think
when you're
work
done?
on a new song.
When
You want it?
Thanksgiving, 1988. What's your name?
Me?
Yes.
Katie Alta.
Okay, how old are you, Katie Alpha?
5.
Good. And who's this? Next one by you. Who's that?
Amber.
Amber. How old is she? 4 months, right? And who is this next one?
Zoe.
Zoe?
Happy Thanksgiving.
Who's this guy?
That guy?
Yes. Who's it? Come on, David, be nice. David? Say happy Thanksgiving to Auntie Vivian and Uncle Laurie.
Come on, David.
Okay, now, come on, we're going to...
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
My brother Kevin.
My brother, 2-year-old Kevin?
How
Kevin?
old are you?
Nothing.
Nothing. Say happy Thanksgiving. Oh. What do you say, Kev?
Boo.
No, come on. What do you say?
Happy Thanksgiving.
Wait, now it just went on. Now it just went on. Say it again.
Hi there. Happy Thanksgiving.
Good girl.
There.
There.
Hi. Happy holidays. Wish you were here.
What's your name? Huh? Oh, come on up. No, I just got standby. There. Hey, speak.
Speak. Sit. Come on.
Yeah, good girl. Some action shots. Do it again, Katie. Do it again, Katie.
Wow.
Oh, I see big black feet.
Yeah, I'll get enough light there.
It says low light. What?
Here, get this.